Hello there. In the previous video we got started with our anaconda and spider, and I hope you explored the spider by yourself. And in this video we'll be getting into deep learning by installing a very famous deep learning library called Theano. So although it's a simple deep learning library, but installation may be headache if we are not doing it right. So in this video we'll see how to install Theano. So we are going to our Google and we just gonna type Theano. Okay, wrong Theano. Okay, you see Theano documentation, and we'll go to installing Theano. And these are the requirements. Python we have, NumPy, SciPy, they are already provided by Anaconda. G++ we are not having, and we need to install it. And BLAS, it is used for accelerating your Theano framework. We'll see it later. And these all are additional software that we need: GIT, PyDot, NVIDIA. This we'll look into later. So at first we just want to install Theano simply. So let's see, let's get there. Yeah. So this are a few commands that we are going to follow. First we are going to open our Anaconda command prompt by clicking here. You can see. Now you see the environment is simply Anaconda 2 in my home directory, which is C user triple. So in this directory it's good to update our conda because it's a package manager and we'll be using it again and again. So let me update my conda update conda. Okay, so it will update it. Okay, so it has updated conda 4.0.5, and we can update all the packages which are listed in conda. So conda update and / all. So you see this many packages need to be updated or installed, whatever. I have actually already updated it because updation requires around 20 minutes maybe. So you can see it's already updated for me. I mean, I updated it before making this video. In case for you, it will ask for permission, yes or no. You just need to give yes and it will update it. Once we are updated with our conda package, we'll install Theano. Okay, so now for installing Theano we need to get this G++. Okay, and because Theano is dependent on G++ and this mingwg++ and libpython. You can see here also it says for G++. So for getting our G++, we'll simply, now I told you like conda is very simple to use for installing various packages. You have to just type conda install install and mingw and libpython. That's all. Enter. So it's, yeah, it will ask to install these new packages mingw 4.7.1 and libpython. So I'll give a yes and enter, and it will fetch the packages and install it by itself. Okay, so it's installed. Actually I've installed it previously, that's why it's kind of fast. It is in the cache memory. For the first time it will take some time, 5 to 10 minutes maybe. That's okay, it's worth it. Okay, once we have installed our G++ compiler, we can install Theano either using pip installer, or actually conda is not providing Theano. Let me try conda install Theano. Okay, it's fetching. Okay, that's great. Oh no, it's not having, there's no package. So we will use a pip installer for installing Theano. So we can install Theano older version by just using pip install Theano, or in order to get the latest version we can get it from the git. So first let me show you how we just install the older version and how the pip installer works. Same as conda installer, pip install Theano. Okay, so you can see it's installing Theano in my Anaconda environment. So successfully installed Theano 0.7.0. So I have installed Theano, the older version, and I'll show you one thing where the installed one is. You can check in your list, but since we have installed it using pip, I'll go for pip list. Okay, pip list, same as conda list we saw, and we'll look if our Theano, yeah, here it is. You can see Theano 0.7.2, it has been installed in our package. We can check in conda list also, conda list list, fetching all the packages installed. And yeah, you can see even in conda, because when we're installing Anaconda, it links itself to all the packages being installed. So you can see Theano 0.7.0 and it's installed through pip. So that's well and fine, we have installed the Theano, and you can see in the directory also where all the packages are kept. What you have to do is, this is your environment Anaconda 2, so you have to just go to where it is. So in my system it is in C users in REPL. You can see it here, it will be mentioned here. See, C users REPL, and you can see this continuum IPython Jupyter, and this is our folder where everything of Anaconda is there. We click here and you have to go to lib where all the packages are installed. Double click here and you have to go to site packages. Double click here and all the packages which are installed through in Anaconda are available here. Even the Conda package manager, you can see. Okay, and your matplotlib, your numpy, and scikit-learn, and what we need is Theano. So you can see Theano has been installed here, all the files and everything you need. Okay, so you can check it here. Okay, so now once we have installed Theano, let's import it and see if it's working. So either you can go here by Python and import Theano. Okay, so that's well done. If we are not having any error, means we have successfully imported Theano and we have installed it. One other way you can check it in your spider also. Exit. Now you remember how to call this, launch the spider. Enter. And let's see if we're getting our spider. Yeah, spider is starting. We'll wait for it. Okay, so we got it. Okay, so here is your console, and this was from previous video, previous program. So we'll just import Theano. Okay, no error. So we have successfully installed Theano. And one more thing is how this is one console, and you can right click and you can start a new console to run another program. And in this one program, one script will be linked to this. You can run another to this console. Here also you can see import Theano. Okay, so we have installed Theano version 0.7. Okay, now actually we have the version of Theano which we have installed here is 0.7.0, and what if we want to install a latest version? Actually the latest version will be used when we're installing Keras or your Lasane, any high module library. So in order to get the latest version, what we are going to do is we can uninstall this version